Good morning, students. I am Ashutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sari branch. Today I am going to teach you your fourth chapter, that is food and digestion. As we know that every living things need energy to live. As we live, as human or any animal live, they need energy and they perform different types of life activities. So today I will discuss necessity of human body to perform different life activity. As we know that when a baby grow, when a baby perform different types of life activities, they need energy to perform different types of life activities. So how they get energy? They get energy from food they eat. We eat different types of food materials to get energy. In this term, every living things, every human eat different types of food materials, and these food materials provide us different types of nutrients for our life. So as we intake different types of food materials, the more amount of food material is taken by us that give us carbohydrate. As we eat rice, bread, cereals, these provide us sweets, sugar, these provide us carbohydrate, and carbohydrate provide us energy to do any work. So carbohydrate is called as energy giving food. Similarly, when we eat nuts, some oily materials, fish, flesh, milk, it provide us protein, and protein help in growth of our body. As a baby born, and when it grow, they need energy for growth of their body. So protein is very required material for growth of their body. So protein is called as body building nutrients. Means protein is mainly obtained from nuts, flesh, eggs, fishes, milk, nuts. These are sources of protein, and these help in growth of our body, human body. So protein is called as body building nutrients. Next nutrient which are required for growth of our body, proper function of our body, that is fat. Fat is obtained from oily materials, ghee, milk, means oil, all oily materials, ghee. These are sources of fat, and fat also provide us energy. Fat provide energy to do life process and also store in our body. So fat is also called as energy giving nutrients. So these are nutrients which provide growth of our body, help in growth of our body, and provide also energy for our body. Next nutrients which are required and which are taken by food, that is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are also required. Vitamins and minerals are also required for proper functioning of our body. These vitamins and minerals keep our body, keep our organs healthy, and help in proper functioning of our organs and organ system. These vitamins are different types of vitamins are found in our food: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A, E, K. Minerals: sodium, potassium, iron, folic acid, magnesium. These are minerals and vitamins which help in proper functioning of our body and help in to keep healthy our organs and proper functioning. In lack of these vitamins and minerals, our body organs do not perform proper function, and these vitamins and minerals are called as protective food. Water is also essential for our body. In lack of water, our food is not digested. So water is also required for proper digestion of our body. Next is roughage. Roughage is called dietary fiber, and roughage is obtained from vegetables, fruits, cereals. To take roughage, we intake salads as raw vegetables as tomato, radish, carrot, onion. These are sources, cucumber, these are sources of roughage dietary fibers which help in proper digestion of our food. So these are different components of food which are essential for proper growth of our body. If we do not take these nutrients in sufficient amount, our body will not remain healthy. So we should take proper amount, right amount of these nutrients, and by which the food which give these nutrients in right amount of our body to our body, those diet are called as balanced diet. Balanced diet are diet which give all nutrients to our body in right amount. The diet which give all nutrients in right amount to our body and which is sufficient to keep healthy our body are called as balanced diet. And when we intake balanced diet, our body will remain healthy and grow properly. So to keep healthy our body, to give proper nutrition to our body, for better growth of our body, we should take all nutrients in right amount, and for this we should take balanced diet. So by eating balanced diet, we will keep our body healthy. So for today, that's all. In my next lecture, I will discuss more about your 5th chapter. Thank you.